So you stuck around for the next one? Good to see you. And for all you newbies, hello everyone, and welcome to our video on personal finance tips for beginners. If you're just starting out on your financial journey, it can be tough to know where to begin. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll cover the basics of personal finance and provide you with some tips that you can use to get started on the right foot. Let's get started. Tip number 1, create a budget. The first step in managing your personal finances is creating a budget. This means tracking your income and expenses to determine how much money you have coming in and going out each month. There are plenty of free budgeting tools available online, such as Mint or Personal Capital, that can help you get started. Once you have a budget in place, you can see where you might be overspending and adjust your habits accordingly. Remember, a budget is not meant to restrict you, but rather to help you make informed spending decisions. Oh, and just a heads up, keep watching till the end of the video for the bonus point and our personal hack to save and invest autonomously in 2023. Tip number 2. Once you have a budget in place, it's time to start saving. Set a goal for yourself, such as saving 10% of your income each month, and make it a priority. One way to make saving easier is to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account each month. This way, you won't even have to think about it. Also, consider opening a high-yield savings account to earn more interest on your savings. Tip number 3 is the easy one. Just reduce your debt. If you have debt, such as credit card debt or student loans, it's important to come up with a plan to reduce it. Start by paying off high-interest debt first, as it will cost you more money in the long run. Consider consolidating your debt with a balance transfer credit card or a personal loan with a lower interest rate. Also, avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary. Tip number 4 is to invest for your future. By the time you have both 6 months' worth of savings as emergency, here's where you take the risk. But it's only a little risk if you put what you can afford, which technically should be between 10 to 30% of your income. That's if you're using the 70-30 rule. Don't worry, we'll cover that in another video. Investing can be intimidating for beginners, but it's an important way to grow your wealth over time. Start by investing in low-cost index funds, or ETFs, which provide diversification and low fees. You can also consider investing in a retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA. But remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. This one is easily accomplished using the bonus point. Tip number 5 is to protect your finances at all costs. Protecting your finances means having the right insurance in place. This includes health insurance, car insurance, and renters or homeowners insurance. You should also consider getting life insurance if you have dependents who rely on your income. Having an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses can also protect you in the event of a financial crisis. Which brings us back to our first point for all the ones that stayed till the end for that bonus point. When it comes to saving, we understand that it can be hard while also keeping up with bills and monthly expenses. Really and truly, before you start investing, you should ensure that you have the capital saved as an insurance to your lifestyle. It's ideal to have a minimum of 6 months' salary to ensure if anything goes wrong, you can continue keeping up with your expenses. After you have around 6 to 8 months' worth of savings, now you can comfortably invest in the right assets for your future. All this can now be done with a free app called Plum. Plum uses artificial intelligence to automate your savings and manage your money. Once financial goals are met, Plum uses statistical knowledge to invest in the best assets with returns of 5 to 10% each month. If you're interested, click the link in our description below. Use that link to get a direct invite and join our network so we can grow our funds together. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video and found our tips helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our next video. By subscribing, you'll have access to all of our latest content on personal finance, investments, strategies, and much more. Also, feel free to leave us a comment below with any questions, thoughts, or suggestions for future videos. We love hearing from our viewers and want to create content that's tailored to your needs. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.